I've used Namecheap, and in this video I will share with you why I recommend Namecheap for blogging in 2024. But before I start, just so you know, if you use my Namecheap link down below to get your host, I will get a commission at no extra cost to you. As a thank you, I will give you access to my online university courses, including one about Namecheap to help you get started. Plus, you'll get access to these upcoming courses when released. Without any further ado, let's get into the details of why I recommend Namecheap for blogging in 2024. With the presence of cPanel, installing WordPress on Namecheap becomes a breeze. Once inside cPanel, navigate to Software and click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Ensure that you use HTTPS to avoid security issues with web browsers. Verify your domain name if you have more than one. Give your blog a name and description. Then choose a username and a strong password and use an email address that you have access to. For language, I will leave it set to English. For plugins, I recommend unchecking all if you're unsure about what you need. And for the advanced options, select weekly for automated backups, then hit install. After a moment, your brand new WordPress site is ready to be customized as you want. When I was preparing for this loading speed test, I mentally braced myself to encounter the same sluggishness I experienced when two of my sites were hosted on Namecheap between 2021 and 2022. To my surprise, I was mistaken. After installing the Astra theme and one of their blog templates to mimic real life, the loading speed of different pages on my blog was surprisingly quick. I wondered if Namecheap's servers got better or if the plugins I was using were the problem. Seeking a second opinion, I checked the speed using tools like GT Metrics, PageSpeed Insights, and Pingdom. As you can see, the website received an A, indicating everything looks good. And according to GT Metrics, my homepage size was 1.31 megabytes and it fully loaded in just 1.5 seconds, which is impressive. However, PageSpeed Insights and Pingdom gave me lower grades. Overall, I'm satisfied with the speed. In comparison to other hosts, I found it definitely faster than DreamHost, on par with Bluehost if not better, and slightly slower than Hostinger. I like the system Namecheap uses to keep a copy of your files. It employs a cPanel plugin tool called Auto Backup that takes daily backups extending as far back as a year. Downloading a copy of your backup to your computer is simple. Just click on Get Full Backup As, select Zip, and then click on Get. Restoring can be done in a basic or advanced manner. The basic method overwrites the content with your chosen backed up content without losing any new content added since your chosen backup. The advanced option deletes all files and the account is recreated with the data from the backup. It is recommended if your website has been a victim of a malicious attack. Compared to other web hosting providers, I find this system more user-friendly to work with. Others either provide a user-friendly interface but charge extra for automated daily backups, or offer automated daily backups but with complicated management. The support team was very quick to connect through live chat. It felt as if they were waiting for me. Based on my experience with the live chat support, I found it to be responsive and knowledgeable. Compared to other competitors like Bluehost, Hostinger, and DreamHost, in terms of the waiting time to connect, Namecheap live chat was the fastest one to connect. However, during the conversation, I found Hostinger's team to be a little bit quicker to answer my questions. Overall, my experience with the live chat support was good enough to rate it with a thumbs up after finishing my conversation. Creating an email account on Namecheap is easy. Look for email inside cPanel and click on email accounts. Then click on create. Select your domain name, enter the username that you want to use, and a strong password. For the storage space, I prefer it to be unlimited. Also, I want to receive instructions on how to set up a mail client. When you finish, click on create. To see your inbox, click on check email next to your email account. There you have it, your new email account is ready to send and receive emails or connect with Gmail. Migrating your WordPress site from another host to Namecheap isn't straightforward, as Namecheap lacks an official migration plugin similar to those offered by Bluehost or DreamHost. Considering this, you have a couple of options for migrating your WordPress site to Namecheap. The first option involves doing it yourself using plugins such as Migrate Guru or All-in-One WP Migration. Alternatively, you can opt for the second migration option by reaching out to the customer support team. They can perform a full cPanel migration or just migrating your WordPress site, depending on the level of access you have.